What's going on, you guys? I just wanted to make a review video of the offline sandals that I just got. They just came in and like I did not know, like look at this box. It's taller than the normal. I'm gonna show you guys why in a second. But the box that it came in was this box right here, which was crazy because like I saw it and I was like, you know, I thought there was like, they mistakenly put 2 shoes in here. So I was like, cool, I'll take another set of shoes for free. You know, I wouldn't mind that. But like I saw it and I was like, it just reminded me of like the Home Depot moving boxes, you guys know, but it's huge. So if you guys buy this, just be prepared to receive a huge box. So this is the box. Look how tall it is. All right, we got your N354, and I like how the 354 looks like it's written in handwriting. And like, look at this thing. Okay, so they are size 11s, which are my size, just in case it, you know, doesn't work out with the resale game. So Nike offline, we have electric orange, and what is that? Oh my goodness, I don't even know what that is. And anthracite? I don't even know what that is. It's black, but I guess they got a special name for it. So it does have like this little lip right here, and it has a catch. So that's how you open it right there. Okay, here goes the top of the box. And as you guys can see, there's an insert for sandals, and it does come with 2. So this is the first one, and it's that just that lime green, that like faded guacamole green, we're gonna call it, right? And so this is a tray right here. Okay, so after the tray, you just got a regular bag, like a regular sheet, white sheet. Okay, and then you got them right here. Let me pull one out so I can show you guys. Oh wow, it's kind of heavy. So these just look like the snowboard like material right here. Okay, we got the gum color in the bottom. We have, as you guys can see, it's a pink insole, and these bubbles, it's kind of like some sandals that you know, use the slide in sandals. But like, I don't know why these bumps are like so high up there. I don't think that would be comfortable at all. All right, so you do have like this Velcro, right? You could tighten it up right there. You have this sponge material for the tongue. And guys, this is sick. I like these right here. I don't think I would wear them, but I do like them. And what I did is I got these from the Nike.com. There's the Nike app. So they didn't go to sneakers for some reason, but these sold out pretty quick. You guys got to follow some people on Twitter. That way you guys get links. You know, anytime something comes up, like I follow J23. He's one of the ones that I remember that I follow. I follow some other people too, but J23, anytime a shoe comes out, he's going to add his link. It is an affiliate link, so you are supporting him, you know, anytime you click on that link. But I clicked on the link, I checked them out on the Nike app, and I was like, yeah, I got to get these. And the cool thing is I had a discount code. So I was in the Army once upon a time ago, and so I get veteran discount. So this actually came out to $104. And right now on StockX, they're going for $200 for my size anyway, size 11. So, you know, hopefully I will get a sale pretty soon. I just listed them today. I just got the box today, so I'm pretty excited about it. And here goes the other pair right here. I mean, you guys could see, it's just crazy that it came in this box right here. And then, you know, of course, if you don't like that pink color, you could always go with a faded green, guacamole green. So, you know, we're gonna throw this back on top, slide it through, and close it. And all we gotta do is wait for our StockX. Hope you guys like this video. If you're about reselling or if you're about shoes, go ahead and feel free to subscribe and let me know something down in the comment box about these shoes right here. If you like them, if you're gonna sell them, if you're thinking of copping them, just let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video.